Okay. Yeah, it's coronavirus. 470 people. Phase 1, day 15. We got 1 week left of phase 1. But you know, except for Waterloo Region, because they're still in the high. You know, they're gonna enter mid-July. That reported by Dr. Husri Lee Wang, medical officer of Waterloo Region. So it is what it is, you know. So today we're reporting 256 cases. Okay, yeah, okay, lower than last time. So Waterloo Region is in the lead with 39 cases. 38 is cases from Peel Region. 36 from Toronto. 17 from Hamilton. And 18 from Grey Bruce County. So Grey Bruce County has joined the list this time, huh? Replacing some ones like Halton Region and Ottawa. So all other regions reported under 15. 2 deaths are reported today. Variants. UK variant is at 143,035. And plus 110 since last time. South African variant is at 1,161 plus 5. And Brazilian variant is at 4,270. Unchanged since last time. Yesterday. And the India variant is at 1,080 plus 24. So, and that is the one that's really the major concern right now. And yeah, that's the one. That variant that's keeping Waterloo Region from proceeding into phase 2 until mid-July, and you know that's a problem. That's a problem. So you know, Max, you can since starting Monday, you can you know, if you're like, you know, if you got your vaccine shot, first vaccine shot before May 30th, you can pre-book for your second vaccine shot on an earlier date. And I will be one of those people who will be doing that. So we're currently right now you can pre-book shot 2 for those if you were 70 up, and if you were live in an India variant hotspot, which is you know, just to recap: Peel Region, Halton Region, Porcupine County, Toronto, Waterloo Region, Wellington, Dufferin, Guelph Region, Halton, and Hamilton, Durham Region, Simcoe Muskoka Region, and those are yeah. So I got the phase 1 rules. So starting June 30th, I'll be showing phase 2 and phase 3 rules only. So, Today's topic focus. This is the second day Waterloo Region has in a row. Waterloo Region had the most amount of new coronavirus cases in Ontario for the second day straight. So if you looked at the overall coronavirus daily cases in Ontario, Waterloo Region contributes at least 65% of cases, total cases. No, not that much. And of course, it was 39, just right one above Pure Region. So this is sort of an improvement, and still bad because last time 91 90 plus cases reported from Waterloo Region yesterday, and that was not good news. That was like literally a wake-up call, and yeah. So currently, they say people when they released the data, 35 more people have been tested positive for coronavirus, raising the total number of affected people in Waterloo Region due to coronavirus cases to 17,304. And since Waterloo Region is also India variant hotspot as well, and Dr. Husui Lee Wang mentioned how the reason with the coronavirus cases in the Waterloo Region and the India variant in Waterloo Region is because of travel, most likely travel, and that is true because that also happened in the Pure Region, Ottawa, and London, and the neighboring London Middlesex region, and yeah. You know, people they go to different places, they come back, and they spread it among the community, and people don't know about it until it's too late. So this is why because of this Waterloo Region will not be entering phase 2 until mid-July. A date has not been released yet, but you know, they will be entering later, like Porcupine County did with phase 1 because they had high cases. So my second thing I talk about, so Fleming College, anyone who goes to Fleming College, so they, since last time that they had coronavirus case outbreak. I'm not surprised because of there are some students holding a large party, and you know what happens when large parties happen. You know, coronavirus cases show up there, and also possible variants. Most likely the UK variant. And now the India variant. So yeah, tough situation. So last time the Fleming College had to lock their doors, and yeah, and all classes were like online. Yeah. You know, there was like, and there was like parties held at the Peterborough campus. And also Trent University, also the one happened there too. Yeah. And yeah, Trent University students have the Trent U support have been very unhappy about that one. So because of this, I have heard some universities and colleges requiring students to be vaccinated, like getting at least one vaccine shot if they want to, like, you know, live on residence. So out in the southwestern Ontario, I know like Western University and Fanshawe College. I know they are giving those college and universities themselves are vaccinating students that might be possibly affected, and also they're giving out vaccines to students on campus. You know, but McMaster University in Hamilton, they they're like get your own. So Fleming College is requiring students. So they're also using get your own. So they're requiring students to have at least their first dose of coronavirus vaccine if they want to live on a campus of residence starting this fall semester. So Trent University also made the same rule, saying students to live on campus, they need to get at least one vaccine shot. And this information is also supported by Peterborough Public Health Unit. So college President Maureen Adamson said that the pandemic continues to be an evolving situation, and we have emphasized that safety with everyone's responsibility at Fleming, and the vaccination requirement for those in residence will provide peace of mind to the students and their families. So future residents, students are advised to have their vaccine at least 2 weeks prior to their move-in date. So the college said that those unable to receive first dose before moving in will have 14 days to get vaccinated, and the college will provide support to students who require first and second doses, and is working closely with the Peterborough Public Health Unit to coordinate access to vaccine. So any student who cannot be vaccinated on medical or other ground recognized by the Ontario Human Rights Code may request an accommodation. So Fleming College said that it is committed to the protection of the privacy and any information gathering in compliance with the Freedom of the Information and Protection of Privacy Act. So other safety measures will be are still implemented, like marathon capacity limits and limits in limit of number of people inside buildings and cleaning and sanitation. So the vaccine requirement applies only to the college owned residences on campus and not the entire campus or those living off campus. So let's give a flashback to in February when a party happened in Fleming College, and the life of a 31-year-old Fleming student Zachary Root. At the off-campus, privately run Severn Court student residence in city's west end near the Sutherland campus. Peterborough Public Health officials said the outbreak, which had at one point had up to 60 variant cases, and it was because of parties. Ouch. And also a coronavirus outbreak happened at Champlain College student resident at Trent University. That one too. With a link to the gathering that Severn Court. No. Those students, they made bad choices and it claimed the life of student. So due to this, let's read. As mentioned, back in February, Fleming College canceled in-person classes and switched to online classes. All because of certain students who decided to have a party. Like they are important enough. Like come on, we were still in the danger zone now. So a tribunal was launched and previously Adamson said that the college would impose was the harshest. Ouch. So Maureen Anderson, the college would impose the harshest possible sanctions on those. So anyone who showed up to the party, basically, so they would get punished at the residence complex, and I'm glad Fleming College, you know, they did the right thing. Because someone I know who goes there, they sent on uploaded on Instagram of the death of the Fleming College's Instagram, and that a student named Zachary Root died, and so I knew that then it was because of the party, and you know. I made a video back in February about this situation, and of course, yeah, I was mad because some people are just so stubborn, and let's not forget, like, you know, also Halloween parties, Christmas parties, and New Year's Eve parties. Yeah, people were like, you know, they ruined it because of and variant cases, which was I think it was the UK variant, because that was that back then, like around that time, it was like that was the most common one, right? And before the South African variant and Brazilian variant came to Canada, you know, that was the, you know, because in January, that's when a UK variant first came into Canada, you know. Justin Trudeau, he ordered borders closed, no flights from United Kingdom, so yeah. But that didn't work, apparently. So hospitalizations, 275 people hospitalized with coronavirus, minus nice. Okay. 284 ICU patients, minus 16. 202 ICU patients, plus 13. Better than last year. That's months. Long-term care home deaths, stop deaths, and outbreaks have not changed. 3,782, 13, and 8. So please, you know, follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations and phase 1 rules, and until phase 2 starts Wednesday, you know, don't have gatherings over 10 outside for the safety of others. When phase 2 starts, 25 people outside, 5 people inside. Sign up for vaccinations if you haven't.